In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Hostinger. If you need to give someone access to help manage your Hostinger account, the platform makes that process simple through its account sharing feature. This is useful when you're working with a team member, a developer, or anyone who needs limited access without using your personal login details. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to send access properly. To get started, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're logged in to the correct dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Profile section. This is usually the place where account settings and user-related options are stored. Click on Profile to open the account menu. If needed, click Profile again to fully enter the Profile settings area. From there, look for the option called Account Sharing. This is the section that allows you to manage who can access the account and what level of access they receive. When you're in the Account Sharing area, find the Give Access button and click it. In some cases, you may need to click Give Access again to confirm that you want to add a new collaborator. Just follow the prompt until the access form appears on your screen. Now you'll be asked to enter the collaborator's name and select a permission role. Take a moment here because the permission role is important. It determines what that person will be allowed to do inside the account. Choose the role that matches the level of access you want to provide. If someone only needs to help with specific tasks, it's a good idea to avoid giving broader permissions than necessary. After entering the name and selecting the appropriate permission role, click Give Access to send the invitation. Once that's done, the collaborator should be added or invited, depending on how Hostinger handles the confirmation process in your account. It's always a good idea to double-check the shared access list afterward to make sure everything was submitted correctly and that the right permission level was assigned. And that's it. That's how to add a collaborator in Hostinger. It only takes a minute, and it's a much safer way to share account access than handing over your main login information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.